you don't have to get down on your hands and knees anymore. We're getting old, okay? No hands and knees. Get this. The link is there, but watch this. It's literally, and I hope I still have some battery life because I've literally been using this for the last hour and it's still going strong. So I have this little guy here. Turn it on. And let me see. Just literally, you don't even have to press hard. Okay? And I did already put soap on it, but I was like, okay, that's no go because I will be literally here hours cleaning up bubbles because it was making so many bubbles. Let me see if I can show you around my toilet. Let me put you down here. Let me here, watch this. So literally, oh, it still got bubbles, look. Game freaking changer. So again, you don't want to put too many bubbles down because you will have to come back and clean up all those bubbles. But look at this, game changer. And then, seriously, if you wanted to use a brush, let me get that off. I'm gonna pull kind of hard. Brush, simple click, right? Turn it on, literally. Do not press hard. Game freaking changer. Around your toilet, you have little boys or a dirty husband. Game changer. But again, I gotta stop because if I keep doing that, I'm literally gonna be down on the ground cleaning up bubbles. So if you are looking for an amazing scrub brush, you can scrub anything with this. It even has different sponges. I know it has this one, and I probably misplaced a few of them. It has the extension pole, so you can take this off. But this is, you could probably like put Windex on your mirrors or windows and use this. Total game changer, guys. Look at my shower. It's so clean. Whatever you do not buy this. Especially if you are like me and cleaning, kind of like it, and it relieves your stress. I know that sounds crazy. Not a lot of people are like that. But when I'm stressed out or frustrated or sad, I clean. I bought this guy. It was delivered, I don't know, in a week. It charges like a phone. You just plug it into a USB, plug it in your wall. As you can see, it was 7-in-1. So I have all these different adapters. I think there may be one in here. Here's one. Okay. I just spent, and you can check out my other videos, but I just spent, I don't know, the last 40 minutes cleaning the shower, and my life has changed because of this. So because I love to clean, I literally practically kill myself cleaning the shower because number one, I just like a clean shower. Number two, I'm getting older, so it's becoming a little more challenging. And this guy here, especially game changer, because I have this seat inside my shower that has a little bruise. And again, you can watch one of my other videos, but it literally got off all the mold and the little crevices, everything. But I'm gonna warn you, you're gonna become addicted to this and a little obsessed. So now I'm like cleaning everything in my house with this thing. And I went to start on my floors, and I'm gonna tell you, don't put it on your floors because it's life-changing. I mean, seriously, guys, I used to get down on my hands and knees, like scrubbing on my floor, and do not add soap because it makes a shit ton of bubbles, but it is a game changer.